As cases of COVID spike, lessons learned over the past year are playing out now, including making sure there are enough masks, gowns, and face shields for frontline workers. As News 8 senior political correspondent Jody Latina reports tonight, leadership at Hartford Healthcare is working with the state's federal delegation to nationalize the production of PPE.
The use rates are climbing. We can't buy enough.
CEO of Hartford Healthcare, Jeff Flaks, isn't waiting for the White House. He has prepared a one-year supply, a local stockpile of masks, gowns, and face shields for frontline workers in his healthcare system.
We set up a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week system that buys PPE across every continent in the world.
Last year, Hartford Healthcare spent nearly $4 million on those personal protective supplies. During the pandemic, that number has jumped to $30 million. Hartford Healthcare has also recently acquired a new warehouse to house the PPE.
When you think about the National Reserve for oil, right, this country anticipated the need to be protected in case there was a shortage or disruption to our supply chain. But to not having had done that for medical supplies doesn't make a great deal of sense.
So Flaks is working with Congressman John Larson on legislation to encourage the White House to invoke the Defense Production Act, a quick path to get manufacturers to produce more supplies and equipment.
We can learn from this pandemic and the legislation that our congressional delegation put forward to make this country safer.
Avoiding interstate bidding competitions or jumping through hoops to get PPE from halfway around the world, including those much sought after COVID tests.
Most importantly, testing is available.
Flaks says another field hospital at the convention center is coming just in case.
During the height of the pandemic last spring, officials say there are documented cases of people having strokes and other emergencies and not coming to the hospital for fear of catching COVID. They said, don't do that. The hospital will remain open. They've learned a lot and you will be safe. In Hartford, Jody Latina, News.